The Department of Transportation and Communications is planning to limit the number of passengers per trip of the Metro Rail Transit. Monokson tells us why.
Because of the hot weather, MRT passengers' health is at risk, especially during peak hours wherein there is a large volume of passengers. This is the reason why MRT management is considering to limit the number of passengers per trip of MRT trains. This is in connection with what happened yesterday, wherein there were only 5 trains working because the air conditioning units of the other trains did not function well. The maintenance provider said that they have gone out of freon that is used for the air conditioning unit.
Ngayon pa lang, humingi na ako ng pamanhin, you may have to turn back passengers. No? If it ever so happens that we get into a situation again na ganun kababa.
Aside from this, the management will open windows so that air can circulate freely inside the cabin.
I will be looking at the possibility of opening the windows of the MRT if the aircon is really not sufficient to cool down the internal the cabin of the trains. At least by opening the windows, we'll have air circulation.
These are just among the steps that the management will implement to avoid the health risks in passengers, especially during rush hour.
Sobrang init, tapos talagang grabe. Wala na silang sinisino, kahit babae pa yan, kay matanda, kay ano, basta makarating sila sa pupunta nun. Tapos sobrang init.
Parang itong part ng train, parang mainit yung aircon. Pero nung pumasok ako sa kabilang train, malamig naman yung bandang right side.
But this is only a band-aid solution. Global APT, however, said that the government is not paying them.
The Transportation Department admits that they are not paying Global APT since January and February because its penalties are more than the 57 million that the MRT is supposed to pay them.
DOTC said they have already made a complete payment for last September to November. The maintenance provider, however, did not buy enough spare parts, which resulted in the many glitches being experienced by MRT.
Hindi sila lugi. Maganda kita doon. Kaya nga, I'll go back to if only they bought spares, capital parts, consumables during the first 3 months. In the first 3 months, they actually earned, no? They wouldn't have these problems right now.
The Transportation Department said that there is no other solution but to let the government procure the whole MRT to attain full control of the system. It is expected that in June, there will be a new maintenance provider that will replace Global APT. Mon Hokson reporting for Y News.